In ICT and technology, we do a lot of works alone or in teams, and they encourage teamwork a lot. The ways they teach are very fun, and the language is not a problem because a lot of terms that are used, for example, in ICT are the same in Basque or Spanish, and the teachers have no problem explaining the lesson as many times as you need for understand.
Hi everyone, I'm Markel. I am a student of the first course of Bachiller, and this year I have taken Technology and ICT in English. I think that it's a good opportunity to you to take it because you can improve your English. That is very important. And then the tasks that the teacher gives us, they are not very difficult and you can pass the subject easily. And I propose you to take it because it's a good opportunity for you.
Kaixo, Mikel naiz, eta gomendatzen dizuet teknologia eta IKT ikasgaiak aukeratzea, zeren oso interesgarriak dira, gauza berri asko ikasten dituzu, eta ingelesez aukeratzea gomendatzen dizuet, zeren ingelesa hobetu dezakezu, termino berriak ikasi, eta adibidez, termino bat edo hitz bat, ez badakizu galdetzen duzu zer den, euskaraz esaten dizute, eta ez dago problemarik ingelesez hartzeko. Benetan gomendatzen dizuet ikasgai hauek, zeren oso interesgarriak dira, batez ere teknologia berriak gustatzen bazaizue, eta hori.